J Mac from Syracuse, New York. Man, came all the way out to see my Colorado Buffs.
What channel do you watch? They brought you out here.
The pregame show.
Never watched the college game till last season when Coach Prime came to Colorado. And I am in Colorado at Folsom Field. I am the Colorado Buffaloes auntie from Texas. Sweet treat.
Hey, I've been following the pregame show. It's all about let's go Buffs.
Away from Texas, yes sir. Watch you every single day. Nobody lays it down like Uncle Neely and the pregame show.
Neely, pregame show behind the scenes of everything. And why does he get that kind of access? Why does he get that kind of access? Because trust is involved. You would never get the kind of access you desire unless there's trust and relationship. You're trying to put your up on game.
Swipe, which if you're anything like my fiance is a lot, you benefit the Colorado Buffaloes. So make sure you get that Go Buffs Visa signature reward card from our friends over at Elevations Credit.
So I just saw this in the chat.
Look at those waves.
You see me, Ugg? We out here, man. Gonna go do some gates.
Right here.
You're not crazy.
Gates burnt end sandwich, burnt end mac and cheese, baked beans, sweet tea, Gates barbecue, KC. Let's get it.
What's up, Travis? My name is DJ Battle. I'm gonna see you at the game tomorrow on the lower floor. I hope you whip Kansas badly, boy.
Now where are you at right now?
Right now I'm at the Negro Leagues Baseball Museum, and tomorrow I'll see you. And I hope I can get your autograph.
Well, back then, DJ, you know, it wasn't a bunch of grocery stores.
That's a dog.
Listen to what I'm saying. So if you didn't have a shotgun, you almost didn't eat because you had to hunt for your food.
Yo, these burnt ends are crazy, yo.
Oh my God.
It's like porn direction over here. Sit there, alone.
Definitely not the biggest piece of porn. Face. Damn. Thank you.
G-Money.
What's up, baby?
Marchese. He's not looking fucking.
Well, I said fucking.
Team flats is just crazy over there. Or team drums, sorry. Team flats is just locked
He
in
said
over
you
here.
need 2 hands. That's his rationale.
Team flats. We just know ball.
I know beans.
I don't know. Some of us need to hold it with 2 hands.
Ching. Let me get that beef rib again, man.
Triple K swag.
Circle K swag, hand swing.
It's a look, dude. It's a look. It's a look.
What are you doing?
I don't know. Killing time before we have to go in.
Now, I trust the team. I was
Yo.
Megan, come here. Let me introduce you to Uncle Neely right here.
Hi, I'm Megan. I'm good. How are you? Nice to meet you.
I see me in your shades.
Oh, nice.
How's it going, bro?
I'm Bryce's brother-in-law, Jimmy. Nice to meet you. Yeah.
I like his guy. I like his eyebrows more than anything.
Hey, Brittany from Atlanta. Hey, Uncle Neely. We came all the way from Atlanta to see your love. It's my first college game, too. First tailgate. I'm out here. Right, first tailgate. First everything.
We outside for real.
Yeah, we outside. For real.
I love the hats. I love the hats.
Positively personal. Thank you. IG, baby. Right. I don't know why that's happening.
General? That hat clean up, boy. I like that. Brand new.
Hang on.
D-Lo. Cookie.
Let's get it.
Did you get your sandwich?
That's what happens when you make all your field goals.
Nice.
Pre-game show. What's up? Welcome to
son? Oh, dancing? Stop. You got to throw it up to him, man. White boy Rick. Cash rooms, everything around. Get the money.
Really?
Junior? What if I knew?
Lily.
Larry Bird. Man, that's what I've been waiting on. Forget Shadul. I've been waiting on Pop, man. Over.
Yes, there is.
What's going on, fam?
Baby, nothing against me. What the see the team?
No, let me tell you something.
See the team.
Houston, we have a problem.
You know.
Big G.
Man.
Carrot Top, Jack Black. And of course, Menace to Society.
go.
Where y'all from?
We up from Miami, Florida.
All the way from Miami.
All the way from Miami.
Appreciate y'all coming, man.
Hey, man, we love what you guys are doing, man. We want to support you in every way.
Appreciate your family.
And we're recruiting at home. Everything we see at home, we bringing it this way.
My man.
You gotta believe. Dude, we've been believing since day one,
That's why I
dog.
gave them to
Remember
you.
back in Jackson State? We've been believing with you in the pregame show.